Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude for long-form writing, including articles, books, reports, and other large projects that require thousands of words. One of Claude's biggest strengths is its ability to work with large amounts of text. However, many beginners make the mistake of asking Claude to write an entire article, report, or book in a single prompt. While this can work for shorter content, you'll usually get much better results by breaking large projects into smaller stages. The first step is to start with planning instead of writing. For example, rather than saying, "Write a 5,000-word report about renewable energy," try asking, "Create a detailed outline for a 5,000-word report about renewable energy. Include major sections, subsections, and key points to cover." This gives you a clear structure before any writing begins. Once the outline is created, review it and make any necessary adjustments. You can add sections, remove topics, or change the order until you're satisfied with the overall structure. Next, ask Claude to write one section at a time. For example, write section 1 of the outline. Use a professional tone and approximately 700 words. By generating content in smaller chunks, you maintain better quality, consistency, and control over the final document. This approach is especially useful when writing books. Instead of generating an entire chapter collection at once, work chapter by chapter and section by section. This allows you to review and refine the content before moving on. Another helpful technique is creating a project brief that Claude can reference throughout the writing process. Your brief might include the target audience, writing style, tone, objectives, and important information that should remain consistent. For example, audience, beginners; tone, educational and conversational; goal, explain complex topics in simple language. Whenever you start a new section, include this information so Claude maintains consistency across the entire project. If you're writing a report or research document, ask Claude to focus on organization first. Have it create summaries, key findings, and section outlines before expanding them into full content. This often leads to a clearer and more logical final document. You can also use Claude as an editor, not just a writer. After generating a section, ask it to improve clarity, remove repetition, strengthen transitions, or adjust the tone. This iterative process usually produces better results than trying to get everything perfect in a single prompt. For very large projects, consider maintaining a running document containing your outline, style guide, important facts, and completed sections. Providing relevant portions of this document when generating new content helps Claude stay aligned with the overall project. Finally, don't think of Claude as a one-click book writer. The best results come from treating it as a writing partner that helps with planning, drafting, revising, editing, and organizing content throughout the entire process. By starting with an outline, writing section by section, maintaining a project brief, and refining each draft along the way, you can use Claude to create high-quality long-form content much more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.